Good morning and welcome to day 9 of May Vlogs. It is the 8th of May today, so happy Flora Day for anyone down in Helston, and also happy VE Day. Today marks the 75th anniversary of VE Day, which is when Winston Churchill announced to the world that World War II had officially ended. So today is a bank holiday in the UK. Tom is still working because his work doesn't really adhere to bank holidays, which is a little bit of a shame. But Arthur would have had the day off school anyway, so he is having a day off. He is just going to do whatever he wants to do, which probably will involve a lot of computer games, knowing Arthur. But that's fine. I'm not dying today. I do need to write a newsletter, but I've got all the photos and everything I need taken for that, so it shouldn't be too bad. Can you see the boys in the background? I don't know what they're up to. So yeah, I need to write a newsletter and get that out ahead of tomorrow's shop update.
You could have broke
Right,
it.
be back in 1 second. Okay, disaster averted. Jasper threw Arthur's camera on the floor. Fortunately, Arthur's camera is pretty sturdy and shatter resistant. Shatter resistant? That's not the term I mean. Shock proof. I don't know. Anyway, it's pretty sturdy and it's fine. What was I trying to say? I've completely lost the track now of what I was saying. Yeah, no work today. I need to do a newsletter. And then I need to finish off winding the last bits and pieces this afternoon. I will share a little bit later when I go up and do a bit of work this afternoon. I will share everything that's going into the shop, so all of the Cornish collection, all the stripes and whatever else I've got going into the shop, because they'll be going into the shop at 11 AM tomorrow, which is when you'll be watching this. So for anyone that's interested, I will share that a little bit later on in this video. What other plans do I have today? I was watching Ali from Little Drops of Wonderful yesterday. She is doing lockdown vlogs. She started hers in March when lockdown began. Oh my goodness, my grammar and English is appalling today. Began. And they're brilliant. Her vlogs are always amazing. I really enjoy them. But she was talking about the BBC Lockdown Orchestra. And they are doing, apologies if you can hear my washing machine. Real life, hey? The BBC are doing a virtual orchestra, and they're encouraging everyone that plays an instrument or can sing or anything to get involved. So basically what you have to do is download the sheet music, and then you need to upload a video of yourself playing that piece of music. There's a backing track that you can listen to on headphones and stuff like that. So upload a video of yourself playing that music to the BBC website. I'll drop a link down below so that you can find where it is. Only catch is that has to be uploaded by midnight on Sunday. But as many of you won't know, I played clarinet, or I used to play the clarinet. I haven't picked it up in about 3 years. When I was a teenager, sort of early 20s teenager, I was pretty good. I used to play first clarinet in a Navy volunteer band, Seahawk, down in Cornwall. And then when we moved away from Cornwall for work and stuff, I just never really got back to it. And I used to play a little bit at home and things, and then since having Jasper, I've just been living in a cupboard, basically. But this is the sheet music. This is the piece of music. It's You Got the Love, which is what they are doing, and you can print the sheet music off on the BBC website. So I've printed out the B flat version, and typically it's in 3 sharps, because it's the B flat version, and it can never be simple, can it, for clarinet players? But I'm going to get my clarinet out today, have a little practice, give it a little go, and then hopefully I will be able to upload a video on Sunday of me playing the whole piece. Fingers crossed. Everyone was getting grumpy, so we've come out for a quick walk. I don't really know how to explain where we're going. There's some footpaths around near our house. It's not the quietest route, but it's the easiest route. I'm hoping to burn off some of the kids' energy. In typical bad timing, we think it's about to start raining. I love this. We've discovered lots of little hunts that have been put in our local little walking area. I mean, this is really sweet. It's obviously somebody's grandma has put this out for her grandkids. And then there were the rainbows were up that way. Let's see how many cats we can find.
A cat. One. Look, that's one cat. Oh, where is that?
I can't walk like that.
It's raining. It's not a nice day. Look, popcorn up there. Look, popcorn.
It's not just raining a little bit, it's absolutely tipping it down. Smells amazing though. Are you enjoying your rainy walk? Someone doesn't like getting wet. What's wrong, Jasper?
I don't like excited.
You don't like exercising? Right, I've just finished sorting everything out for the shop update tomorrow, and I thought I would share everything with you. So we've got 6 colours of stripes: Storm's End, Ocean Breeze, It's a Rainy Sunny Day, Robin Redbreast, Posy, and Devotion. There is more of what you can see there, obviously. I've got a few sock sets. These are 70 gram sock sets, so 50 grams of the main colour and 20 grams of the mini. So we've got Anemone, going a bit closer so you can see them. Anemone, Dandelion, Paddling in the Waves, Sand Castles, and Wild Orchid. And then this is the Scrappy set for this batch. I'm really pleased with the brighter colours for this one. And then all of the Cornwall collection. So we've got Kynance, which is this one here. And I've got that on high twist BFL and on merino nylon. We've got Floriday, which is this one here. Again, on high twist BFL and on merino nylon. And then Cream Tea, which is this one here, on merino singles and on merino nylon. And then these, if I'll pop them on the table, are the mini skeins for the Cornwall collection. So we've got Saffron Cake, we've got Tin Mines, we've got Coastal Path, we've got Roskilly's Ice Cream, and we've got Seagull Stole My Pasty. Getting a bit blown out there by the light, but there we go. So now I just need to do the shop listings.